Hello my creative friends, welcome to Desi Nari. Today we are going to make a complete set of pendant and earrings. So the pendant is giving ethnic vibes and also earrings are looking damn nice because of the material that we have used here. So let's see how to do this. You can also follow me on Instagram to explore such amazing collection, and if you are new here on my channel, do subscribe to it. See, I am taking a lots of efforts to make such amazing videos for you all. So you also have to give me a favor by that is to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned with our new collection. Now let's start with the video. So the material required to make this necklace set is these glass beads. So these are 5 glass beads in pearl in blue shade that I am taking. Then pearl laurels. This oxidized pendant, so you can choose any other design also, it's totally up to you. Then these are oxidized studs, again you can choose any other design as per the preference. Then these are zero size pearl beads, and this is a lobster hook for the necklace. Then these are called sprinkles or laria. Jump rings, cutter and plier. So first of all we will decorate this pendant with the help of beads. For that, first I am taking this sprintle. So you can see this is this much big, but we really don't need this much big, so I'll just fold it in a half, and with the help of this cutter I'm gonna cut this one like this. Okay, now I'll keep the one part and I'll take another part of this, and then we'll take this zero size pearl and we'll add it here in this. This is how I have added. Now I'll add this one blue bead in this, and then I'm gonna add these pearl laurels. So I'm gonna add 3 pearls in this. If you want to keep the look simple, you can also not choose to add this, like just keep it simple, but I have to add them. So this is how it looks. Now I am taking this pendant, and to the last end over here I'm gonna add this, and I'll wrap it over here tightly. So this is how it is. Now I'll take another sprintle, and then we'll again follow the same process, that I'll add this 5 pearl in this, and then this, and then 3 pearls. Now we'll find where to attach this. So I have attached this, and now I'll keep the 2 holes empty, and in the 4th hole, like this is the first, then second, third, and in the 4th hole I'll bring this upside down, and then we'll again attach this firmly. So this is how it is. This is how it looks. So in the same way I'm gonna cover the whole part, so I'll quickly do that. I have attached these pearls, laurels and these beads, and you can see this is how pretty our pendant has become. Now we are going to add the upper part. For that I am taking this beading wire. This is called as beading wire. It's easily available in the market, and I am going to cut a little part of this. So we'll take a little part and cut it with the help of the cutter, not with the scissor, because it has a wire in this. So I'll first add this glass bead in this, and then I'm gonna add this pearl laurel. So I'm gonna add these 3 pearls. this. So I'm gonna just go on adding this like one pearl and one L'Oreal till the length till like I feel this is enough. So I'll quickly do that and come back to you. So guys, you can see I've added this. So basically these are 20 glass beads till this. So these are 20, and then above that I have added 4. So basically there are totally 40 glass beads that I have added. Now we are going to attach this part to the jump ring. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these glass beads. I'm gonna take these long beads and we'll add this long bead here in this. So I have added this long beads, and then I'm gonna add this jump ring in this. And again from these long beads, I'm gonna take this out. Okay. So you can see I have attached this, and now to these glass beads I'm gonna place them firmly. Now I'll cut the extra part. So you can see this is how it is. In the same way I'm gonna add it to this side. So guys, we have attached these beads to both the sides, and this is how it looks. Now we'll add the lobster hook to one side, and that's it. So we'll add one, so we'll open this jump ring and we'll close the loop firmly with the help of the plier, and make sure to close it very firmly. And yeah, tada, with this or this pendant it's ready. So you can easily insert this lobster hook in another jump ring, and yeah, so this is how our necklace pendant set is ready. The earring, for that you can take any oxidized stud that is available and which is matching to the pendant, and then take one laria or spindle, and then add one pearl bead. Basically we have to make that pearl tassel that we made for the pendant. So add one glass bead and then 3-4 L'Oreals. And the way we attach it to the pendant, in the same way we have to attach it to the earring. So you can find the mid first and then insert the first one in the mid, and then the others will attach to the next to this one. Like this will be in the mid, and then next to this will be the other one. So in this way we will decorate our studs earrings. So with this, all these earrings are also ready. And yeah, tada, with this the whole necklace set is ready. Tada! Our necklace is ready. Isn't it very beautiful and very pretty necklace set? So do make this one and let me know how do you like my video through likes and comments. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. See you soon. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.